world is in a state of volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Performing missions is ever more perilous as operations become tests of your abilities in the face of threats. That is why at ST Engineering, we deliver mission success by supporting you with the right people and technology so that you can be ready to respond to the call of duty. Be it day or night, rain or shine, our crew ensures you are fully supplied, working both behind the scenes and by your side to prepare you for your next mission so that you have the highest chance of success no matter the conditions. As every second counts in life or death situations, our innovative aircraft enhancements maximize flight effectiveness and minimize critical delays. It is also why we have developed cockpit optimizations to take the weight off your pilots so they can focus on taking the burden off others. Our dedication to your success is why we develop cutting-edge aircraft systems that not only enhance safety and extend operational capabilities, but also expand the scope of potential missions. Our network of automation answers to your call for greater efficiency and cost-effective solutions. However, advanced capabilities and technology alone are not sufficient. That's why at ST Engineering, we have seasoned veterans with extensive operational experience to lead and mentor the next generation of operators. Because you expect the best from us.
RSCF and ST are close partners and we achieve mission success together.
ST Engineering that has that experience to solving problems and fixing airplanes, and the results have been very successful.
Consistently proven that they can do just about anything.
Throughout our 50-year history, we have cultivated a distinctive set of skills and experiences that have established us as a trusted, innovative, and operational organization. Wherever your mission may take you, we will be there with you because that is our commitment as your strategic partner of choice. We deliver mission success safely. ST Engineering.